System files corrupted by the Fix Library DLL failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we get started with Fix Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Fix Library, frequently associated with community-made patches and DLL fixes for retro games or unofficial software builds. It manages the localized redirection of memory hooks to bypass original engine bugs. Because it performs process hijacking, it is almost always deleted by Windows Defender as a threat. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since Fix Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized application patch, shim toolkit performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Fix Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Fix Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Fix Library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Fix Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.